In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix alt text issues in WordPress. It can be really frustrating, I know, and there are many people actually wanting to know how to solve that easily without any knowledge of coding or basic HTML. Hey guys, welcome to Webby Digital channel, and my name is Raman, and in this video we are going to talk about the alt text issues. Alt text issues occurs during uploading an image to your WordPress website or any website. So there's an alternative text attached to that particular code. Google requires it to identify the description of that particular image if it's actually very useful for a screen readers or a person with a disability like a blind people. So you need to rectify this situation to rank higher on search engines. So we will be discussing 2-3 methods in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that red button, and so let's get started. Before jumping on to the solution, let me tell you why alt attributes are important for SEO perspective. See, the basic reason for alt attribute to describe image or describe your image in few words. Like here, if you see on your screen, here is the image source. It's a simple image HTML code which is the source of the image, and it describes about the image, which is a girl in a jacket. So purpose of this particular alt attribute is to tell what image is all about, or image gets down and it gets the alt attribute, it will tell you what image is that all about. Okay, and also it's important for the screen reader users. If someone with a disability, like they are blind or something, and if they use a screen reader, then screen reader can actually get this particular tag from the image and describe what this image is all about. So that's why alt image is important. But for the SEO perspective, it required by the Google bot, or how Google actually scrape your site and get the contents or aggregate into their system, is based on this particular code. Whenever you see any image like a cute dog image or something like that, if you search for it, go to the Google images, and you will find all these images. These images indexed with the help of the alt text here. And if you click on any of the image here, and if we just inspect the element of it, and you will see the alt text includes our term, which is most adorable, or let me just give you an overview. So yes, it says the 30 cutest dog breeds, so it related to the keyword which you have typed above. That's how it helps to index more and more images for your website on their index pages. And if Google accept more and more images for your website or from your website, it will give more exposure to your website in the near future. So it's very important to add alt attribute to your website. So how to do that? See, for simple website or non-WordPress website, in the first part we will discover for non-WordPress website. Okay, and now if you have a non-WordPress website or a static website, you may have some files like a PHP or the platform which it is built on, or maybe a React or something like that. So what you need to do is go to the SEMrush and content audit your website, or you may have already have done it. Like here, it is my website Webby, and here are some missing alt attributes on these pages. So here you can see the article scraper, backlink, and there are many more pages here which lacks alt attribute for this particular image. So it will give me an idea to how and where I can actually edit my code. So I don't use WordPress for my main website. I use WordPress for my blog section, and for the main section it's the customized script here. As you can see, for this particular URL, my image of this URL lacks alt attributes, and how to fix that. If I see this is my URL, and if you find file related to this particular URL, you can easily edit the code. So how to do that? It's simple. As I am going to my server here, and here are the files which is linked to that particular URL, and here is the article scraper, which is a tool which we have built on our website. And I know article scraper, this particular image is in this particular folder here. So wherever I see article scraper.php, I will open that, and you can easily browse through your website files through your FTP, which is the FileZilla client. From there you can easily browse this. This is the AA panel which is installed on my server, and from there I've been using this file explorer section. So if you want to add this to your server, you can easily follow AA panel video, which is I think I've done 2 months ago. Here is the code of my article scraper.php. okay, and now I know this image lacks alt attributes, so I know the image name is load.gif. What I need to do is
if you have found file of article script or any HTML file of your web page, then download it, open it in your text editor, or even if you have a code editor like a Visual Studio Code, you can also do that. And to find it, it's simple, it's Ctrl+F. It will open the find search bar here, and I will search for load.gif. So here is the load.gif, and it gives a simple code here. And to add an alt attribute to it, I just need to add alt attribute. So to add the alt attribute, we know the alt attributes tag here. Here's I need to add a alt attribute which will describe this particular image. Now before adding an alt attribute, if I want to rank this on my web pages or something sort of like that, just open that image. Let's see what it is all about. It's simple, a loader. So to add a loader, let's just add alt attribute of loader and click on save. So it will add alt text to it. And to verify, just open this page, and if you use any cache plugin, then you should first check out or clean your cache. And if we just click on the view page source, search for the load.gif. So as you can see, the alt attribute has been added to this particular image. So that's how easily you can add alt attribute to your images using a simple code to your image. You need to find that particular file first and then edit the code like that, just like that, and it will be resolved. And for the rest of task here, we need to find each and every code for that, and you need to manually edit that particular code and add the alt attribute to each and every images which is listed here. So I hope how you can actually rectify or add alt attribute or rectify alt attribute warning and add your own code to it. So that was the first part or first method, how to add alt attributes or fix alt attributes warning for non-WordPress website. And now we are moving forward to the WordPress website. And for the WordPress website, I am using this my WordPress development blog and also my own blog. So here, how to add alt attribute, as you know, it attached to your images, and we also know that images are being stored in the media section of WordPress. So what you need to do is, without any plugin, we will be rectifying or adding alt attribute to each and every file. So you may have found a warning here. You may have a URL of the WordPress URL, then you can just easily find your images using that particular URL here. So in the blog section, I don't have any missing alt attribute warnings, so I will be telling you how to add manually. So here in the media, go to the library section, and in the library section here are different images that are being stored on my server, and click on any of the images there. And here I have clicked on any images and scroll down to it, and here is the alternative text option, which is also serve the purpose of adding a text to it. And as I know, it's a buy-in player, so let me add buy-in player to it, such that wherever this image or pic added to any blog, then all attribute will be there. So after adding it, you just click on the update. You can easily add alternative text to each and every image just following this particular process. So that's about it, adding manually alt attributes to your images on your WordPress website. But in the third method, we will be using a plugin. So you may be using a Yoast plugin or any other SEO plugin, but I recommend you to use Rank Math SEO plugin, which you can find a link in the description box where you can actually download and try it. It solves so much problem of SEO issues or something SEO in WordPress. So it's a all-in-one SEO plugin for your website. Whether you need to add a schema plugin or schema structure or anything like that, it solves all the purpose. So what you need to do is go to the plugins and add new, and search for the Rank Math, or follow the link in the description box where you can actually download plugin them or sign up for the free account. And after signing up the free account, and just click on Rank Math here, and it will tell you all the modules it included. So as you can see, image SEO included only in the pro version. So if you sign up for the pro version, then this option will be available for you. What it does, let me tell you what it does. I'm going to my own website here, which is my own blog section here. So here is the Rank Math option here, and here's the image SEO option here, and it is already enabled. And if you click on the settings here, you have add missing attribute section enabled. So add attribute section, after enabled, it will tell you the format of the alt attribution. So format of the alt attribution, it gives you a tag to actually add it on your images. For what you need to do is go to this alt attribute format, and you have different tags available like title or account alt, right, something like that. So why you need the count alt here? Because the title will give you the title of the particular blog, like here, right? So it will be title will be added to your alt images plus count. Count will be started from the 1, 2, 3 and so on. As you can see how to find the section here, it gives my example of the URL. And if I just click on example of the URL, so here's the blog, and let me click on view page source. So let me just search for my images. My all images are converted to WebP, let me tell you, or yeah, so here it is. So let me just browse more here. So here is the images. Yeah, image source. As you can see, alt is only K here, which is SVG. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, so what you need to do is go to, let me see if there's an alt text here. Go to the inspect element. After inspect, select the image source like here. So yeah, as you can see, here is the how to find Wi-Fi password was the alt text for it, and you can see 14 is the number of count, which is the alt, and it relates to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if I just go down to next image, here is the next image. Let me select that using this. So yes, so it's counted as a 15 here. So that's how this particular plugin actually adds attribute here. You have different alt attributes. You can add a description or something like that. If you click on the drop down button here, you can add a separator counter, or you can add a search query to it, or you add a counter and file name, or a site title, or a site description, or you can add the current date time, and there are actually many tags available for you. So you can just browse out it and it will start adding missing alt text to every image on your website. So I recommend you to use this, which is actually the default tag for your images. So I think Rank Math is actually the best plugin out there for all your SEO issues or needs. If you go to the dashboard, you have all the plugins available for you: AMP, Analytics, WordPress, Content, AI, Local SEO, Sitemap. There are actually many modules available for you. My favorite is the image SEO and the schema structure data, which helped me to create a schema markup for my each and every blog. So that's about it about adding a plugin, and obviously it's a paid. You can follow the link in the description box and get 20% off. But I know I'm not just promoting it. Let me continue to the free version of the plugins. So if you don't want to add alt text single-handedly, you can also add using free plugins out there. Go to the plugins, click on add new, click on search alt images. So there are actually many plugins available, and one of the best plugin is bulk auto image alt text. You can just click on the install, click on activate. So it will all tell you to click and allow and continue to start optimize your images with the alt text. So just click on, so it will start accept to verify, or you're not a robot or something like that. Yes, accept to verify. No, I don't want to get notification. So it will close down there. Here, replace missing alt text with, you can choose Rank Math focus keywords like that. Okay, and replace defined alt text with, you can use your own tag, or you can use Rank Math focus tag or something like that. Or if you use the Yoast plugin, you can also use Yoast focus keyword plan tag. So that's about it. Disable for product gallery, or if you have a function for the disable for the product gallery. Add site title. If you want to add site title to each and every images, then you can also do that. If you have a landing page for your website, you can add site title here, or if you don't, then just disable it. Debug mode, you can add the debug to check if it's working for your website, and if you want to delete setting, you can easily just toggle this down. And here is the custom alt text. If you want to add a custom alt text, you have to disable this plugin locally and add alt text to post and titles like that. Here is the boost your ranking on search pages. It requires you to install Big Data to choose this particular setting, so that will be the question of another video. So the basic thing is we want to replace missing tags with this, or replace defined tags. If you have already defined alt text, then you can also replace that with the help of Yoast or Rank Math defined or focused keyword, or you can also define with the post keyword, image name, or something like that. So after that, you can click on the save changes, and it will start deploying or adding missing alt text into your website. So that's about it. I hope you have learned something from this video, from adding an alt text manually and using a plugin, or on the WordPress website using a media library. So if you have learned something from this video, click on the like button. If you want to learn something like that in the future, then you have that button, and smash that button and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.